Gonna hit some speed runs today with the Typhon 223S BLX and the Rally. That'll be on 3S. This is stock electronics on 4S. We got the GPS right here. We got some movement. You guys are about to hear it. 4 beats. Look at that, freewheeling on its own. So this is on 4S. Show you guys how to do a proper speed run test. Put it here in my mailbox. Hit track. Stop, read, 0 miles. You gotta make sure you gotta clear it out. And track, start. We got movement. We're about to find out. Let's see what we did there. Stop, read. 51 miles per hour. Stock gears on 4S. That's what you need to get a real 50 mile per hour, as they claim. Track, start. See what it got that time. Stop, read. Oh, 55. 55 on 4S. So I guess you could hit a real 50 plus if you got 4S in a 3S car. Front tires are ballooning. From a dead stop, full trigger. It's 4S. On stock electronics. let's get the rally out. You guys saw it. 55 miles per hour, all in one take. That's how you do a speed run. No pausing, no screenshots, all in one take. And we're gonna do a temp test. 140, 142 on the motor, 143, it's climbing, guys. 145 on the motor, ESC. Let me reset it. 138, 140. So 140, and we said 145 on this side. You guys saw it. So those are the temps we're gonna get on 4S if we're doing speed runs on this thing. But I think it's too much 4S for this thing. I don't know. It was cool, but it starts ballooning, popping wheelies. This thing's way more manageable on 3S. Let's take this out next. And I did forget to get a temperature on the battery. 94, 95. 95. The weather out here today, it's starting to get sunny. It's not hot yet. It's like in the 70s. Alright guys, so the Rally has upgraded GTR shocks. It's a green brake support, green drive shaft. I think that's about all I added to it. It's on 3S. You guys see the Millennium 3S there. 3S pack with the GPS mounted here. Let me show you guys how I mount the body. This camera doesn't fall over here. The way I do it. Dang it. Alright, the way I do it, I put the body in upside down, line it up, make sure the clips are all popped in and snapped in. Because when you put the body in like this, sometimes when you press it down, the ground keeps it from snapping all the way in. You guys see start, stop, read, 0 miles per hour. So track, start. And we got movement. See how that free rolls? That's exactly what this thing should be doing. Alright, this is, like I said, proper speed runs. You gotta do it all in one take. You can't pause, screenshot, reset. Because the weirdos out here on the internet will think you're lying over a speed run. All right, we got movement. Let's I'm gonna adjust the shocks. Bring it back here further. All right, let me put some shade here so you guys can see. Stop, read. 49 miles per hour on 3S. And this is stock gearing 3S. If I put the speed gear on it, for sure we're going faster. my favorite RC because it doesn't roll over when you're doing. And you're smashing. Man, I think it has more in it. Let's try it again. Oh, this fool's gonna park right here. I'm gonna block the street with my speed rounds. Track, start, read. Stop, read, 0 miles per hour. Track, start. One more quick speed run. Hopefully, let's get this in. Let's go. Pull trigger. I need to adjust those front shocks a little bit tighter. Let's see what we got here. Stop, read. It's at 51. Legit 51. So one did 51 on 3S, the other one did 55 on 4S. So I'm pretty sure this one won today for 3S. Oh, the show for the kid over there. Let me show you what this rally does on my driveway real quick. This is the rally on my driveway here. See the smoke coming out those tires? Guarantee those tires will be bald by the time we're doing it. Brand new tires. Dead battery. Dead. All right, guys. Motors at 135. Oh, 147. 150 max. How about over here? 107. Oh, I think my motor's hot because my fan stopped working on the freaking motor. So I might have hit thermal. I need to get another fan. That fan keeps going out. But on the packs back here, it's at 123, 130. So the ARRMA versus TRAXXAS battle with the rally car and the Typhon. I'm gonna give it to the rally car because the rally car was only, what, 4 miles off? And it was on 3S. This was on 4S, both stock electronics, both stock gearing. But they're both fun to drive, you know what I'm saying? And which one should you own, the ARRMA or the TRAXXAS? Own both if you can, man. Get what you like. That's all that matters. This little thing comes in handy, the micro blower, because you know after you run, a bunch of stuff gets in there, you just blow them out. Look, we got some right here in the back of the car. Move this out the way. guys see we got some dirt right here. You know, little rocks, they get stuck in the carpet. These are on sale on Amazon right now. They're called micro blasters for computers. And they work real good. Cheaper than CalRC. But support CalRC if you can, like I did. I got the stickers under CalRC. That's pretty much gonna end the battle for today, guys. Next time we'll take these off-roading. And if you're like Mark Santamaria and you copy my bag for my RCs, make sure you give a shout out. Don't be a buster. All right, peace.